Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change phone ringtone in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to change your phone ringtone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change phone ringtone in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your phone ringtone. So as you can see this setting option or second one, sound and vibration. So guys tap here and guys click on your ringtone. So which ringtone guys you like guys you can change from here. Example guys you can this crime time, flight, and so there are guys many types of ringtone. So we will click on this flight, this circle, tap here and let's come back. So you can see guys your phone ringtone has changed into flight. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone ringtone in Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.